Ẹkáàárọ, ẹkáàsán, ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́, ẹ káalẹ́, ó dìgbà, ó dàbọ̀, ó dàárọ̀ ọ̀la. Ẹkáàárọ, ẹkáàsán, ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́, ẹ káalẹ́, ó dìgbà, ó dàbọ̀, ó dàárọ̀ ọ̀la. Welcome back to the channel with me, Doris Akintewe. I am your Yoruba teacher. You could call me Yoruba instructor. Okay, and that in Yoruba, let's start from there today, is called Olùkọ́. Let me help you pronounce that. Olùkọ́. Alright, so let's say it the right way. Olùkọ́. Let's go local. Olùkọ́. But if you want to go classical, you say Olùkọ́. Right. Leave in your comments. Let me know your challenges while trying to practice with the alphabet, which was the last thing we'll talk about. Okay, so today we're going to be looking into greetings in Yoruba language. Greetings, general greetings in Yoruba. The Yoruba people have specific greetings for every single thing. Unlike English people, you have good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, bye bye. What else again? How are you? What else? In Yoruba, if you're standing up, we have a specific greeting. If you're sitting down, it's another greeting. If you're what again? If you're standing up, eating, dancing, jumping, talking, sleeping, in fact, almost, let me not say it, maybe if you're dying, we can almost greet you. You know why? Because we have, language is very rich. The language is very, very rich. Okay, but I like to let you know that greetings in Yoruba is called ìkíni. Ìkíni, don't forget, ìkíni, 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 that is greeting. Alright, so for the level we're in right now, I'll just give you the keywords or the marker, the keywords to greeting. Just say ẹkú, 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 ẹkú. Okay, so if you want to say good morning, you will say Ẹkáàárọ, which is called Ẹkáàárọ. Good morning, Ẹkáàárọ, but you will say Ẹkáàárọ. Good afternoon, Ẹkáàsán, Ẹkáàsán, Ẹkáàsán. Good evening, Ẹkúrọ̀lẹ́. Yoruba people, we know the difference between evening and night. The English people will say good night. No, it's not good night. Good night is still tomorrow morning in Yoruba language, alright? So if you want to say good evening in Yoruba language, it is Ẹkúrọ̀lẹ́. You can hear Ẹkú, 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 Ẹka, Ẹkúrọ̀lẹ́. Good night is not bye-bye in Yoruba language. It is Ẹkáalẹ́, Ẹkáalẹ́, Ẹkú alẹ́. I don't know if you get the point. Ẹkáàárọ̀, Ẹkú ọ̀sán, Ẹkú ìrọ̀lẹ́, Ẹkú alẹ́. Okay, but to make it easier for you, phonological processes, just say Ẹkáàárọ̀, Ẹkáàsán, Ẹkúrọ̀lẹ́, Ẹkáalẹ́. And then if you want to say till tomorrow morning, you say ó dàárọ̀. That is what the Englishman will call good night. Okay, so you say ó dàárọ̀ ọ̀la, ó dàárọ̀, ó dàárọ̀. If you want to say bye bye, if you're having a discussion and then you want to call it a day and just try and say, okay, all right, bye, you say ó dàbọ̀, or you say ó dìgbà, like that means till the next time or till another time. Okay, so ó dàbọ̀ is farewell, farewell, or till next time, which is ó dìgbà, ó dìgbà. Remember our B sound. Ó dìgbà, Ba. Ba. Ó dìgbà. Okay, so I'm not going to rap with ba. Okay, so let's go over it again. Good morning, ẹkáàárọ. Good afternoon, ẹkáàsán. Good evening, ẹkúrọ̀lẹ́. Good night, ẹkáalẹ́. Till tomorrow morning. Yeah, what's the Englishman will say good night? Ó dàárọ̀. Then I told us the other time that ẹkú is a keyword that signifies greetings. For example, if you're standing, Yoruba people will say ẹkú dúró. If you're sitting, they will say ẹkú ìjókòó. If you're dancing, they will say ẹkú jó. And then if you're eating, ẹkú ìmújẹ. You can hear ẹkú. So if you cannot remember anything at all and you want to greet a Yoruba person around you, just say ẹkú walking. The person will understand that ẹkú ìrìn. So just say ẹkú àárọ. Àárọ is morning. So you say good morning. In Yoruba, we don't like you. If you see me in the morning and then you say morning, it's as good as telling me it's morning. Then everybody knows, even an imbecile knows it's morning. Alright, but if you want to exchange pleasantries, and that is what greeting is, you will have to say ẹkáàárọ, ẹkáàsán. That is good afternoon. Good evening would be what? Ẹkúrọ̀lẹ́. Good night, ẹkáalẹ́. Till tomorrow morning, ó dàárọ̀. Bye bye. Ó dàbọ̀. Don't forget the ẹkú marker. Ẹkú key code. Ẹkú is the code. Alright? Ẹkú is the code for greeting. So, good morning, ẹkú àárọ̀. Good afternoon, ẹkáàsán o. Good evening, ẹkúrọ̀lẹ́ o. Good night, ẹkáalẹ́ o. Till tomorrow morning, ó dàárọ̀ ọ̀la. Or you say ó dàárọ̀. Then what else again? Farewell is ó dìgbà. Till the next time we meet, ó dìgbà. Bye bye. Ó dàbọ̀. So as I'm calling the class to close for today, what should I say? Is it ẹkáàárọ̀, ẹkáàsán, ẹkáalẹ́, ẹkúrọ̀lẹ́? I will just simply say ó dàbọ̀.